Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the sound settings of the Roger microphone to improve the listening experience. Let's go! There are multiple ways to adjust the volume of the Roger microphone. Now I'm going to show you 3 ways, either using the My Roger Mic app, the My Phonak app, or the buttons on the hearing aid. First, with the My Roger Mic app. It includes a beam steering functionality that allows users to steer the beam in the direction of a specific talker. This increases the volume of the selected talker while reducing the background noise. There are 6 beams that can be selected or deselected. Here is how it works. Tap on a segment to deactivate the beam in that direction. You can deactivate as many beams as you want. By doing so, the Roger microphone will only pick up the sound from the activated directions. Next is the My Phonak app. It allows users to adjust the balance between the Roger microphone and the hearing aid microphone. If there is too much background noise, then the ambient balance will help. Here is how it works. First tap on ambient and then move the slider to the left. This increases the sound coming from the Roger microphone and simultaneously reduce the ambient sound picked up by the hearing aid. By the way, pressing the volume buttons on the hearing aid has actually the same effect. If you would like to completely mute the hearing aids, then go back to volume and click on mute. This way no sound will be picked up by the hearing aid anymore and you can fully concentrate on the Roger signal. On this screen, you can also adjust the overall volumes for both signals, like this. Please note that these adjustments are temporary and they will be reset when you turn the device off and on again.